101. The control rods is a nuclear reactor. Answer. Absorb neutrons. 102. Which atom model suggests includes the following statement? The electrons can revolve around the atomic nucleus only in those allowed circular orbits. Answer. Bohr atom model. 103. The chemical name of aspirin is answer. Acetyl salicylic acid. 104. Plant diversity is greatest in answer tropical forest. 105. Consider the following statements. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer 1 and 2 only. 106. Which of the following disease spreads due to the contamination of drinking water and milk? Answer typhoid. 107. Which god of the Aryan fulfilled the dual function as war god and weather god? Answer Indra. 108. Who was the first Indian judge to become officiating Chief Justice of the High Court of Madras? Answer T. Muthuswamy Iyer. 109. Which of the following pair are correctly matched? Answer Buddha agnostic. 110. Commonwealth Weekly was started by whom? Answer Annie Besant. 111. Subhash Chandra Bose went to which place after the surrender of Japan to the Allies in the Two World War? Answer Taipei in Formosa. 112. At which place Aham's revolt was broke out? Answer Assam. 113. Which round table conference was participated by Gandhi? Answer Second Conference. 114. In the global warming point of view, the name the Christ child associated with answer EL NANO. 115. Name the states which are highly affected by the tropical cyclone. Answer Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. 116. Expansion of inland waterways was initiated under the answer Jal Marg Vikas project. 117. The external causes for industrial softness are answer 1 and 3. 118. What is the major instrument of price policy in agriculture? Answer minimum support price. 119. Lord Cornwallis introduced the to answer zamindari system. 120. The Constitution 44th Amendment Act 1978 changed the right to property from which one of the above statement are correct? Answer one only. 121. The committee to recommend amendment of Act 311 to dismiss the corrupt public servant is answer PC Kota Committee. 122. The Supreme Court of India has more powers than any other Supreme Court in any part of the world. Who said this? Answer Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. 123. Match the following. Answer A3 B1 C4 D2. 124. Which of the following schedules deals with language? Answer 8th schedule. 125. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is responsible only to answer the Parliament. 126. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. What should be the run rate in the meaning 40 overs to reach the target of 282 runs? Answer 6.25. 127. The area of a rectangular land is 240 meters square. If 8 meters is decreased from its length, it will become a square. Then the length and breadth of the land respectively are answer 20 centimeter, 12 centimeter. 128. A washing machine was sold at rupees 15,000 after giving successive discounts of 15% and 25% respectively. What was the market price? Answer rupees 25,000. 129. 8 men and 12 boys can finish a piece of work in 10 days, while 6 men and 8 boys can finish the same work in 14 days. Find the number of days taken by one man alone to complete the work and also one boy alone to complete the work. Answer man 140 days, boy 280 days. 130. Which of the following mode of transmission cycle is exhibited by dengue virus? Answer man mosquito man. 131. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, C and A in 20 days. In how many days will they finish it together and separately? Together 10 days, separately A is equal to 30, B 20, C 60. 132. Volume of a hollow sphere is 11,352 by 7 centimeter cube. If the other outer radius is 8 centimeter, find the inter radius of the sphere. Answer 5 centimeter. 133. There are two mixtures of milk and water in one mixture ratio of milk and water is 5:3. In two mixture ratio of milk and water is 5:4. In what ratio these two mixtures are mixed to get milk and water in the ratio 4:3? Answer 1:3. 134. Some persons are standing in a queue. A child is standing 14th from the left and a woman is standing 8th from the right. If there are 4 persons between the child and the woman, how many persons are there in the queue? Answer 26. 135. The average of first 100 natural numbers is answer 50.5. 136. Find the common ratio of the following: GP 2 by 5, 6 by 25, 18 by 125. Answer 3 by 5. 137. Find the number of all 3-digit natural number which are divisible by 8. Answer 112. 138. Who is considered as father of DNA barcoding? Answer Paul Hebert. 139. Which country is known as the land of the white elephant? Answer Thailand. 140. When did Niti Aayog come into existence? Answer 2015. 141. In which of the following day onwards the use of plastic was banned in Tamil Nadu? Answer 1st January 2019. 142. Swachh Pariyatan mobile app operated by the Ministry of Answer Tourism Development. 143. Subramaniam Balaji wishes government of Tamil Nadu the case related to the matter of answer contents of election manifestos. 144. When was the first nuclear test conducted in India? Answer 1974. 145. India's largest rail cum road bridge connects with which of the following states? Answer Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. 146. The book The Fall of the Sparrow is written by answer Salim Ali. 147. According to the 2011 census, the lowest density of population is recorded in the state. Answer Arunachal Pradesh. 148. Which organization launched the E-Shakti project? Answer NABART. 149. The quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of a body through 1 degree. Choose the correct term from the following. Answer heat capacity. 150. The distance travelled by a body is directly proportional to the square of time. What type of motion this body has? Answer uniform accelerated motion. 151. What is the chemical name of the popular pesticide Gamaxine? Answer benzene hexachloride. 152. Bacteria convert molecular nitrogen into which of the following? Answer NH3. 153. What is gypsum among the following? Answer CaSO4 2H2O. 154. Which one of the following is the strong storage form of carbohydrate in plants and also the principal source of energy in the diet? Answer starch. 155. The exchange of genes between the homologous chromosome takes place during the stage of answer diploid. 156. Competition for food and shelter will be most severe among animals when answers same species of animals live in the same area. 157. Eugenics means answer improvement of human race. 158. How many main ethnic groups are there in Indian population? Answer 6 main ethnic groups. 159. The Indian ruler who met Vasco da Gama on his arrival at Calicut. Answer Zamorin. 160. Which tax was not permitted by the chariot? Answer marriage tax. 161. Who was the founder of Swatantra Party? Answer Rajaji. 162. Jawaharlal Nehru was born at Dash. Answer Allahabad. 163. Where is Chauri Chaura village located? Answer Uttar Pradesh. 164. The Nehru Report 1928 recommended Dash. Answer complete independence. 165. The first metro rail project was commissioned in India in the city of answer Kolkata. 166. Name the state where the high quality black mica is obtained in India. Answer Bihar. 167. Which is the low density planet than the water density from the following? Answer Saturn. 168. Water agriculture subsidies. Answer payment made to farmer for production supporting income. 169. In HRD, what is the meaning of job promotion? Employees move to a higher position. 170. C. Censure Committee is related to answer MRTP Act. 171. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the Prime Minister's Crop Insurance Scheme 2016? Select the correct answer from given below. Answer both 1 and 2. 172. Consider the following statement and choose the incorrect statement. Answer 1, 2 and 4. 173. Features of Indian federal system are answer 1, 3 and 5. 174. Which committee recommended for a central vigilance commission? Answer Sandhanam committee. 175. Which one of the following is not in the state list? Answer major parts. 176. The Central Administrative Tribunal deals with answer recruitment and all service matters. 177. Which one of the following committees had recommended People's Participation Community Development Programs? Answer Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. 178. 32:13:29 answer 85. 179. What is the approximate ratio of the length of the sides a golden rectangle? Answer 1:1.6. 180. Supplementary angle of 88 degree is answer 92 degree. 181. A man saved rupees 16,500 in 10 years. Each year after the first he saved rupees 100 more than in the preceding year. Find his savings in the first year. Answer rupees 1,200. 182. Simplify. Answer -3 by 210. 183. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% to his customers and still gains 20%. Find the marked price of an article which contains rupees 450 to the shopkeeper. Answer rupees 600. 184. The cost of the 15 chairs is rupees 7,500. Find the number of such chairs that can be purchased for rupees 12,000. Answer 24. 185. Answer 11,080. 186. In triangle ABC, angle A plus B is equal to 110 degree and B plus C is equal to 135 degree. Find B. Answer 65 degree. 187. The monthly income of 6 families are rupees 3,500, rupees 2,700, rupees 3,000, rupees 2,800, rupees 3,900 and rupees 2,100. Find the mean income. Answer rupees 3,000. 188. Find the principal that will yield a simple interest of rupees 300 in 3 years at 2% rate of interest per annum. Answer rupees 5,000. 189. 2 dice are thrown. What is the probability of getting a factor of 4 on the face of the first die? Answer 1/2. 190. Find the sum to infinity of the series. 108, 36, 12, 4. Answer 162. 191. The Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan program is being implemented since 2001 for the significant objective of and which of the following statement is incorrect? Answer 1 and 4. 192. In which year the National Green Tribunal NGT was set up? Answer 2010. 193. What is the objective of Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana? Answer every village is linked to a major town. 194. Consider the following statement. Which of these statements given above are correct? Answer 1, 3. 195. Annapurna Mahila Mandal scheme mean for answer empowering women. 196. 124th Amendment Act of the Parliament approves 10% quota reservation for answer economically backward class people. 197. Champions of the Earth Award was given by answer UNO. 198. When did the National Commission on Floods set up in India? Answer 1976. 199. Which is not the official language of the United Nations Organization? Answer Korean. 200. Which of the pair is wrongly matched? Answer Janakiraman Appavin Senahidar.